Detonation. What happened? And how did that happen? We have breaking news. Suddenly a freight train derailed. A freight train derailed around a community center where we're seeing that two locomotives and a couple of freight cars derailed. As we're at a crossing gate where we're seeing that the engines derailed. The engines were going too fast and then collided off the tracks right here. But none of the engineers were hurt, but the train did go too fast and some of its cars did derail. Here we're seeing right now that Autorac cars derailed some of the train cars. But we're seeing right now that the train was about to end soon after, because I don't know what happened, because the train derailed and now there's an accident at the front. Let's go check it out. So, me and my pal are on our way to see what happened to the accident, and apparently the train went too fast and then collided in with this Autorac car, and the engines we're heading up straight towards the engines, but take a look at this. We're at community crossing gate, and it's like right next to the crossing gate is this derailment. Apparently, the derailment was from an accident from two engines that collided up into each other. The engines are right here, but I don't know what happened because they're right here, but apparently they are derailed. Here's the scene of the derailment. The engines roaring, but I just don't know if they're gonna get this train back on track, cause it's a huge derailment and this happened along. For some reason, it said that an Autorac car was bashing into these two cars. An Autorac was hitting two hopper cars with the center beam car, and this is what the police said. We can check it out because they said we were able to, because we're looking at the derailment right now, and it looks like the train did take a hard beat because the train engines are derailed, and I don't know how this happened, but I don't know how this happened because this didn't happen before. So you can hear the engines roaring because the engines are not moving, but it's roaring. So they're just gonna turn the lights off because I just don't know how in the world this happened. And that's all for today. Have a good day.